Okay, now, is this recording? I hope so. Are you wearing your dance outfit? Are you limber? Are you ready to do some contemporary dancing? Like it's 2016? I certainly am. So, in today's dance, I'm just gonna enjoy myself. I'm gonna be sexy, I'm gonna be beautiful, and I'm gonna be spectacular. And I hope you can do the same at home. So, you may not be able to do what I do. Just do your own thing, enjoy the music, and stay safe, stay limber, and stay Franco. Okay, Perfume Genius, he wants it. Let's begin. I'm gonna pretend that I am walking through an orchard. Use all your organs, your fingers, your bum, everything. Let's find myself an apple. I've got an apple! Munch! Hello. Have you found your apple? Hello, Mr. Apple. Getting dizzy. I hope you're dizzy too. Thank you. Till next time.